Hello everyone, have you ever wondered how clay pots are made? It's surprising that a simple lump of clay, through shaping, molding, and firing at incredibly high temperatures, transforms into sturdy, beautiful pots. To make earthen pots, clay is the most important material. The chosen clay needs to be highly malleable, easy to shape, and capable of withstanding high heat. After being extracted, the clay undergoes a meticulous treatment process. First, the clay is finely ground using specialized equipment to break down its structure, making it smoother. Then it is sifted multiple times to thoroughly remove impurities such as pebbles, stones, and roots. The cylindrical clay blocks, after kneading, are left to air dry naturally. This drying process removes excess moisture and ensures the right hardness, making them easier to handle. Once the desired dryness is achieved, the blocks are sent to further processing facilities for shaping and firing into the final product. Due to the fast-drying nature of clay and the specific requirements for making earthen pots, once the clay arrives at the factory, it is rekneaded. This process restores the necessary flexibility to the clay, making it easier to shape. Additionally, rekneading ensures that the clay meets the exact weight and size specifications, allowing the subsequent production stages to proceed smoothly and efficiently. With pre-made molds and the assistance of machinery, the process of forming an earthen pot happens quickly. Once the clay is cut into uniform blocks, it is placed into the mold, and within minutes, a complete pot is formed. The combination of precise molds and modern machinery ensures that each pot has a consistent size and shape, significantly reducing production time. Right now, we can see the excess clay around the edges of the pot and lid being handled with incredible skill. The seasoned artisan, whose hands are familiar with every contour of the earthen pot, carefully glides the trimming knife along the edges. Not a single unnecessary motion is made, and without any hesitation, the extra clay is swiftly and neatly removed. The artisan picks up small pieces of clay, and with just a few swift movements, they attach them to both sides of the pot. What's amazing is that the handles are placed in perfect symmetry, with no deviation at all. A layer of durable, adhesive wax is carefully applied to the bottom of the pot and the underside of the lid. This wax coating not only reduces friction when the pot and lid come into contact, but also protects the surfaces from scratches and wear during use. Applying the wax ensures that both the pot and lid maintain their condition over time. At this stage, the pot and lid are dipped into a thin clay mixture, which is a blend of clay, glaze, and special additives. This mixture not only provides a durable coating, but also gives the pot a smooth, glossy surface. As the pot and lid are submerged, the thin clay layer spreads evenly across their surfaces, forming a strong protective layer. This glaze layer needs to be dried immediately after dipping to ensure it adheres firmly and forms a sturdy coating on the pot surface. The drying process stabilizes the glaze, preventing it from cracking or peeling later on. Specialized drying ovens, set at moderate temperatures, are typically used to dry the glaze evenly and quickly, ensuring that the pot and lid surfaces remain smooth and ready for the final firing process. The pots and lids, after being glazed and carefully dried, are neatly arranged on shelves, ready for the firing process. Each pot and lid is placed with enough space between them to ensure they don't touch during firing, preventing any chipping or damage. Once arranged, they will be moved into the kiln, where the final transformation takes place, turning raw clay into sturdy and aesthetically pleasing earthenware. They will stay in the kiln for several hours at temperatures ranging from 1000 to 1200 degrees Celsius. At this high heat, the clay undergoes a structural transformation, becoming harder and more durable. The glaze on the outside will also melt and fuse perfectly with the pot surface, creating a smooth and resilient coating. The combination of high temperature and extended firing time ensures the product reaches its highest quality, ready for long-term use. Look at this, the result of the workers' dedicated labor. These gleaming, beautiful earthen pots have met all quality standards. Their surfaces are smooth with an even, durable glaze, and each pot is flawless. Now they are ready to be packed and delivered to consumers, carrying with them the durability and craftsmanship of each carefully crafted piece. Incredibly, the clay is transported directly by conveyor into a gigantic storage container. Then, clean water begins to flow slowly, soaking into every grain of clay. But that's not all. Just as the water is added, the huge gears inside the container spring into action, turning powerfully. They spin continuously, blending the clay and water in perfect rhythm. The result is astonishing. The clay quickly transforms into a smooth, uniform mixture. Certain additives are mixed into the clay during the kneading process to enhance the properties of the final product. These additives increase the durability and heat resistance of the earthen pots, ensuring they last longer and perform better in high-temperature environments. The thick slurry you're seeing is a mixture of clay and water that has been carefully filtered to remove impurities. After that, some additives are added to improve the durability and heat resistance of the final product. Next, the process of removing water from the clay takes place. Round trays lined with fabric are used to retain the fine clay while allowing excess water to drain through. As the clay is poured onto these trays, the water gradually seeps through the fabric, leaving behind the smooth, refined clay. When the clay dries to about 80 to 90%, it is removed from the trays to proceed with the next stages. At this point, the clay is firm enough to hold its shape, but still retains enough moisture to be easily kneaded and shaped in the following processes. Hello, welcome everyone to the YouTube channel Process to Product. This channel focuses on introducing farming, livestock raising, harvesting, and product manufacturing processes. Through detailed and easy-to-follow videos, the channel helps viewers explore everything from the initial production stages, such as planting or animal husbandry, to the process of creating the final product. From the stage of drafting content script and video editing to voiceover, everything is meticulously done with the goal of sharing the knowledge we've gained with everyone. Thank you all for watching the video.